Hello folks, we are coming to the next part of our miscellaneous exercise. It's a part 7 and now henceforth there is going to be 4 word problems that is left and we are going to take those word problems. This is going to be our question number, it's going to be your question number 13 that we are going to take up. It's your question number 13 and 14. Let's check. Right, let's read the question. Question number 13 says, in a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea and 225 taking coffee. 100 were taking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Everything else is okay. We have learned, we have done this from quite some time. Everything we have got used to, but neither nor. Slightly new to us. We have not taken it till now. No problem. Let's solve it and let's come across, and after we get the final answer, we will sort out as to what can be done with this neither nor. So let's start with this right away. It is about tea drinking and coffee drinking people. So we can take the set accordingly. We can have let T comma C be the set of tea comma coffee drinking people. I hope it's coffee drinking people only. Students, yeah. Not, let's be more specific, students. Students, and what is given? Given that. Let's figure that out. What is given? It's been given that 150 were found to be having tea. So, N of T is 150. And then they say that 225 were having coffee. 225 were having coffee, and the number of people who were having both we have learnt is always intersection. So T intersection C is how much? Both were 100. They also say that in a survey of 600 students in the school. So there were 600 students in the school, and this is what happens. They have not guaranteed us that they will each of them would either drink tea or coffee. That's not ensured. So we cannot talk much about the intersection. Much about the union. We proceed with this. We'll find out the union. So what will happen? N of T union C. By formula we know it that N of T union C is N of T plus N of C minus N of T intersection C. We have learned this. So let's substitute and get this. It will come to 150 plus 225 minus 100. How much does this come to? This comes to 375. Yeah, 375 minus 100, and that comes to 275. Now T union C is, that means either or. Number of people drinking either tea or coffee is 275. That is what we get here. But that is not what they have asked us. Find the number of people who neither drink tea nor coffee. Just have to do total minus this. We'll get the answer. So, therefore, number of students drinking neither tea nor coffee. Whenever you get neither nor, you just have to do total minus either or. That is how it is. So it is total number of students, actually, total number of students and the either or thing. That means T union C. So this was 600 for us and this is 275. Let's see how it subtracts. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 it's 2. 5 minus 2 it's 3. It's 325 that comes up. What do we understand from here? That number of students who drink neither tea nor coffee is going to be 325. Thus, 325 students drink neither tea nor coffee. That's about it. So that's how we get across this problem number 13. Now let's quickly move to the problem number 14. In a group of students, in a group of students, 100 students know Hindi, 50 know English, 25 know both. Each of the students either know Hindi, they should be there, then only you can get the union as the total. Either know Hindi or English. How many students are there in the group? Perfectly straightforward question. There's absolutely no nothing that is something that is difficult. So Hindi speaking and English speaking. Let's get away right away. Let E comma H be the set of English comma Hindi speaking students. And what are we given? Given that, let's figure this out. What is given? Given that, 100 knows Hindi. So N of H is 100. 50 know English. What else? They tell us that 25 know both. Both by now is very familiar to us. We know that both is intersection. So therefore, N of H intersection E is, I forgot the figure. How much was that? 25. It is 25. They are asking us how many of them are there totally, and they have said that either they are knowing Hindi and they are knowing English, means it's enough if you find the union, and that's what will become the total. So let's see how it comes. N of H union E. By formula, it is N of H plus N of E minus N of H intersection E. How does this come to? N of H for us 100, N of E for us 50, this is 25. So 150 minus 25, 125. So what is the question will conclude exactly as they have asked us. They have asked us how many students are there in the group. Means how many are the total number of students. Because that statement is there, this will become the total. So you'll write as the number of students in the group is 125. Number of students in the group is 125. That's about this question number 13 and 14, and that's all that we'll be taking up in this part 7. The remaining 2 questions is coming in our part 8 video. Thank you.